Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching this video from. I am Wisdan, also known as Wisdan Ozo TV. Yeah, here I will be teaching you how to earn on Anchor platform. Yes, I'll be teaching you step by step on how to do your daily tasks and how to check if you have been rewarded after you finish your tasks. So if you find this video helpful, click on the subscribe button, click on the like, and drop your comments if you have any question or any query. I will take my time to reply all the comments on my free time. So let's dive in. To do the anchor tax is very simple. There you see the dashboard. This is the sales commission, and this is the spillover. This is the second spillover. Yeah, for the meantime I've referred just 10 people for the meantime, and I have withdrawn my sales commission. I'm having $8, which if you press it, it will show you the the amount in naira, and if you touch it again, it will now show you in dollar. So here is how you perform the task. When you come down here, you see this anchor game. This is the game that you do daily and get paid. When you click it, if you are a pro package, you see that the robot has already done the major tasks. As you can see, welcome back, Anchor earner. While you were away, your robot has been earning for you and has earned you over $1.5 today. So what you do now is just to click this claim reward to do the task. So you just click that claim reward. It will take you to either Telegram, TikTok, Instagram, anywhere. So what you do is to just follow the instruction. So here now I'm asked to join this group now, so just have to join the group. After joining the group, you just go back to your Anchor. Yeah, click back to know if you have been credited for this task that you just did. You click on this menu here and come to recent activity. You can see load activity. Yeah, you can see 17. You can see 17. You were awarded bonus of 1.5 for playing games. Yeah, so you see your reward has been credited already, and you see your dashboard here must have. You see this, what you do, just click this red, so you see your dashboard here will increase. This is the ACH and this is the sales commission. I will teach you step by step on how to navigate all these features on Anchor. Yeah, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, this is Wisdan Ozo TV. I share step by step guide on how to earn money online. Yeah, if you find this video helpful, do well to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.